This is luxury travel Japan. I'd like to share my experience with you. Please stay tuned until the end. To Changi International Airport using Singapore Airlines. I've just touched down at Kansai International Airport and I'm catching a late night flight this time around. Man, I was seriously sleepy back then. Since it was right in the middle of summer vacation, there were many tourists and people heading out on trips. Since it was my first time traveling abroad, it was also my first time coming to Kansai International Airport, and I was a bit nervous. To clarify, this time I'll be traveling on Singapore Airlines. Thank you in advance. This is a board with the flight times and such, right? I took this flight. On this day, I didn't have much time, so I quickly headed to the lounge. My dad said that popular Japanese sake is sold at this duty-free shop for a relatively cheap price. That's always about the alcohol, isn't he? Alright, let's move on to the lounge. The name is Sakura Lounge. The lounge has various food prepares like curry, rice bread, food, and beer. It was my first time being able to in a lounge, so I was super excited. My dad's getting some curry, I see. By the way, my younger brother was eating a ton of French fries. I wonder if he'll be able to eat dinner on the plane. Whenever I travel, I absolutely love eating some sort of dessert. I'm the type to try any dessert that catches my eye. What's your favorite thing, Dad? It's about time. Let's head to the plane. Before boarding the plane, the flight attendant checks our passport and other documents. Alright, let's get on the plane. It's exciting, isn't it? We've arrived. This time I purchased a business class seat. My seat was in the middle row this time. Since it's a long-haul flight, they provided everything needed: blankets, slippers, a toothbrush set, and eye mask and more. In front of me, there was a large screen. Before takeoff, safely videos were shown, and during the flight, I could watch movies or check the flight status. We've departed from Japan. Before takeoff, you can choose the dinner menu on board. You also have the option to skip the meal and just sleep. Before takeoff and after we've taken off, you can order drinks like wine or apple juice. After takeoff, the cabin lights are dimmed for those who wish to sleep. If you are eating, you turn on the personal light above your seat to see your meal. It looks like Dad ordered Japanese cuisine. The meal came with 5 different dishes, a soup, and tea. It's like what you'd call a bento box. This is gohan, then yakimono, and takiawase, then this is kuchitori, then konomono. The menu is listed in the description section, so please take a look. My dad says that this dish wasn't particularly tasty. It's disappointing, especially since I had high hopes. By the way, the meat udon I had was delicious. Once everyone finished their meals, the cabin lights were dimmed again. There were 2 restrooms in the cabin. They were cleaned well, making them comfortable to use. It looks like this inside. Toothbrushes and other amenities were provided in the bathroom. Each seat could recline fully flat, so I was able to sleep soundly when it was time to rest. It seems like Dad is still awake. I was really sleepy, so I think I'm already asleep. Good night. Good morning, everyone. After a flight of about 6 hours, I have arrived in Singapore. The comfort inside the plane was really good, so I was able to get a sound sleep. The moment I stepped off the plane, I was very surprised by the difference in humidity between here and Japan. The different scent made me truly realize that I have come to a foreign country. Indeed, foreign airports are different from those in Japan, and seeing all the signs in English was refreshing. Since it was early in the morning at the time, only one place was open. It was then that I first learned about kaya toast, a specialty of Singapore. I tried it later on, and it was more delicious than I expected. Thank you for your watching.